Okay. Alhamdulillah, on top of the world by the grace of Almighty Allah. So I request to you to read them loudly and practice them carefully. Okay?
Thank you very much for giving me a chance. Everyone, my name is Marsha Megha and my nickname is Megha. My friends and family members call me Megha, so you can call me Megha.
Okay. What's her name?
Megha.
What's her name?
Megha.
What's her name?
Megha.
Megha. Start, please.
To start, the letter is A. The letter is A. A sounds like A. A sounds like A.
Okay.
The letter is A. The letter is
Louder, please.
A sounds like A. A sounds like A. May they say able, table, table.
3. After 3. May they say able, table, table. Okay? They are the new students. Okay? Next. Again.
The letter is A. The letter is A.
Louder,
A
please.
sounds like A. A sounds like A. The letter is A. The letter is A. A sounds like A. A sounds like A. May they say able, table, table. Able, table, table.
The A sounds like
A.
A. The A sounds like
A.
A. May they say able, cable, table. But আমরা যখন কথা বলি তখন কিভাবে বলি? May they say able, cable, table, table. এরকম বলি না? So the correct pronunciation is the A sounds like A. A sounds like A. Half circle. A sounds like A. A sounds like A. সবাই ইউজ করো তো to be continue. A sounds like A. A sounds like A. A sounds like A. তোমার হাত নেই. A sounds like A. Momo, A sounds like A. Right hand and finger. A sounds like A. Sorry, A sounds like A. তাহলে ডে হবে? No, day. Say হবে? No, say. Say হবে? Day হবে? Apple হবে? Apple. Camel হবে? Table হবে?
Finally,
আবার হবে?
finally, the A sounds like A. Thank you, everyone. Be happy and peaceful, Mila, please.
Okay, have a big hand. That is, thank you.